Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to understand how to apply jQuery custom animations. And in this example, I'm going to apply the custom animations on my division tag where the ID is results. And we will apply custom animation when we click on the apply button. And now you can see that I have already written a button click event here, right? And I have already applied a border on my division tag where the ID is results, right? Now I'm going to write a code for custom animation, and to apply custom animation, first you need to select the element, and I'm going to select a division tag where the ID is results, and here I'm going to apply a animate function. And animate is a jQuery library function, and it allows you to apply custom animations. And this function requires a object, a JSON object within a curly brace. So let me write down here, okay? And we can write animate method closed here. So this is for my information, right? And now here I can apply custom animations. And remember that whenever you apply a custom animation, you can only apply custom animations on HTML attributes where the value of the attribute is in number, right? It must be in numeric. For example, you know that I have a border on my division tag where the ID is results, and here I can set the height and width of my division tag, and the height and width is always in numbers, right? So I can apply a custom animation. If you have a HTML attribute where the value of the attribute is not numeric, you cannot apply custom animation. So let's apply height, and I'm saying that I want height of 180 pixels, right? And then I'm saying that I want to change the width, right? And let's say the width is again 180 pixels, fine. And then I can apply a comma here, and then I can pass another object, and in this object I can pass some another properties like duration. Duration means when you are going to apply this animation, so in what time you want to apply it. I am saying that the complete custom animation, it must be applied in a 5000 milliseconds, which is exactly equivalent to 5 seconds, right? And then here I can apply some another properties, like I can say, let's say easing. So easing is an option, and here you can apply two different values. Either you can apply swing or you can apply linear, right? So let's first check the swing, right? And remember that it's very difficult to identify the difference between the swing and linear easing value, right? So let me give you an idea about these two. So this is the technical difference between swing and linear. So in case of swing, the animation moves slower at the beginning and at the end, but faster in the middle. And in case of linear, it moves here in a constant speed. It means your animation moves in a constant speed. So it's not going to be slower or faster at the beginning or the end, right? So let me minimize it. So let's save your document and go to the home.html. So this is the home.html file which is part of your project folder. Now refresh it. Now I am going to click on the apply. See, so it is the effect, and the complete animation works in exactly 5 seconds. So we have changed the height and width of my division tag, right? Now let me apply some more animations. Now we can apply some other properties, like I can say that when the animation is complete, this callback function must be executed, okay? And then here I can write when the animation starts initially, then this callback function should execute, So I can have these two functions, right? And in the start function, let me write down a code. Let me copy it. A division. I can display some message when the animation is going to start initially. And here I can write, let me say, animation started. Okay. And when the animation is completed, and you know that the duration is 5 seconds, so after 5 seconds this callback function will execute, and within this function we can apply some more animations, right? So let me write down the code for this callback function at this point, and I'm going to apply another animation after the first animation is complete. Now see the code within this callback function. So I have written $this. $this means a division tag where the ID is results, or you can directly write $div hash results. It's your choice. So if it is not clear, let me copy it and let me paste it here. I can replace this with a division tag where the ID is results, and I'm going to apply another animation. And this time I am saying that I want to reduce the height and width to 100 pixels each, and again the animation must execute in 5000 milliseconds. And once this inner animation is completed, this function should execute, and within this function we are going to say the animation is done or complete. Again you can replace this with the division tag where the ID is results. So let's save it. Now go back to your web browser, refresh it. Now I'm going to click on the apply. So let me first click here. So it's the initial animation. See, animation started. Now it's the second animation is going on, and when this animation is complete we get the message done. So this is all about custom animation, and remember that you can only apply these custom animations on HTML attributes where the value of the attribute is numeric, right? So keep practicing on these animations and try to apply some very nice effects, right?